grateful.
They move so fast that you have to really have a, your camera has to be on high speed.
Yeah, I got this on the sports setting, so that way, like, it'll see the, instead of a blur, it'll actually see the wing.
Yeah, and when he comes in, you know, he'll stay still for a little bit. And I'm trying to get him to land on my hand. So far, he's just buzzing around it.
Right.
He doesn't really land on my hand. He's right there.
Have you ever had one land?
Yeah, I got pictures of him on my hand.
Oh my god.
Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie.
Oh my god.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. We're doing a little bird watching here. And here's backyard. And,
You want to come back? I think he's done. I don't think he'll take any more, so.
got the right habitat for him back here.
Did you get him?
You got one shot.
Yeah, we've seen the one where
It's really
where he was eating out of that thing out of your hand there.
Oh yeah, it's moving like crazy.
But yeah, you see all kinds of neat birds coming out here, and I like the landscape they have in their backyard. It's really cool back here. Nothing like taking a nature walk in your own backyard. Yeah, they even got a couple of waterfalls back here. There's a dove over there.
There's a lot of that there, yeah.
Bipple's father, my friend's father, he's an older guy, and he knows the way well.
This is a waterfall here.
And some guy comes up and tickles his left shoulder or left elbow,
Yeah.
and he takes his hand out, scratches it, another guy comes.
Yeah, somebody did a good job back here. Must have taken a lot to get this put together. Real cool spot. Hope you all enjoyed the watch. Maybe we'll have some more later. See more birds come in. There was a whole bunch of them out here earlier when she threw some seeds out here, and yeah, they're
Yeah, it's good.
really cool spot. Hope you all enjoyed it.